welcome back to the channel. If I sound a little wonky, it's because I'm feeling cruddy. But I'm blaming it on that we're on Bake Spring 2.0 or whatever here in Kentucky. Kentucky likes to do this thing where it gets you really excited. It'll throw a 70-degree day at you, and then it's like, just joking, girl. And then it'll hit you with 15 degrees and snow. And then it was like, oh, I was just joking. I was just joking. Here's 67 degrees and rain. And then we're gonna make it cold again. Anyways, we are going to be unboxing our ice cream beauty box. I'm going to apologize right now to Ice Cream Beauty Box. I've had this like 2 days. It's the 28th when I'm filming this. So I'm a little behind, but this is the February Ice Cream Beauty Box for you all. Alright, let's get into our ice cream beauty bag. So the beauty bag feels heavy as sin. It comes with at least 3 products in here. They did give us a coupon code. It is Hot Mess. I will have the Ice Cream Beauty Box website listed down below for you guys. The Ice Cream Beauty Bag is actually $12.50 and it's 3 to 5 full-size items. Alright, so the first thing that I see in here is the Beauty Creations Skin Makeup Remover Wipes in Watermelon. I don't know about y'all, but I don't typically use makeup wipes on the regular. But what is going on with my camera? Sorry about the lighting. If the sun changes, then the camera changes. There it goes. Welcome back. I know someone's gonna make comments. It is what it is. Okay, you didn't click on a channel that said I am professional. You clicked on a channel that started with Hot Mess. So I don't know where I was going with that, other than these are nice and handy to have on hand when you travel. So I do like that. Next in here we have the Must Be Cindy times Be Bella. Is this like a lipstick kit maybe? Ooh, it is. Lip liner, kind of like a warm shade. Oh, I like that. It looks like it rotates up and down. Ooh, that's nice. Then you won't like accidentally mess it up. And then we've got Unstoppable Lip Gloss. Oh, thank God it's a lip gloss. No smell. Oh, okay. It's a very kind of peachy color. They go great together. I actually really like that. And low-key, as soon as I see it, you know what I think of? My girl Jody. I feel like this would look so pretty on her. Yeah, I like that. Okay, moving on. The next thing I see in here is Barely Blushing Beauty Creations. It's a little 2-piece, I guess, blush set. And Passion Pink and Coral Flush. Now, I feel like these shades might be a little too light for me, but that's okay. I'll give it to either my oldest or my youngest. Alright, so here's... The colors are pretty. Let's swatch. Honestly, that is really pretty. To do like an ombre look. Okay, how is this bag $12.50? Oh, I love these colors. Look at those colors. Isn't that fun? And I like that the lip kit complements. I'm mixing them together and putting them on my cheeks. I don't know. Yeah, it's like a little flush. I like it. I love that color. That is so like screams me. I just put lip gloss on my cheeks. Listen, y'all. I know I'm looking over here because I'm trying to make sure I'm in focus. Just let me be. My brain feels like it's floating around, okay? No, I don't need any comments from the peanut gallery, okay? Mama and not in the mood. Oh, look at that. We've got a little card. Ice Cream Beauty Bag. The Beauty Creations Blushing Duo is $10. The Beauty Creations Wipes are $5. The Lip Kit is $12. And last but not least... we got a freaking palette. Like $12.50? Are you joking me? This palette has a retail value of $25. Alright, so this is Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette. Very pretty. Ooh, I like the texture of it. I like that. This is like, I like the way this feels. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so right off the bat, just cover up any color that scares you. You'll be fine. It's okay. See? Do you see? This is how I have to tell myself to, like, shut up, calm down. It's okay. All right, away. I want to do the sparkle. Oh, wow. That's nice, girl. I don't like the yellow, to be honest. Let's do this one. It's called Squad. Okay, these are swatching great. Matte and shimmers. Yeah, this is a good palette. And you get a nice mirror in here. This color, oh god dang, that feels... Oh yeah. That's beautiful. I know, right?
That is pretty.
Right?
I like the hearts.
You like the hearts?
Yeah.
That's cute, huh? Hold on, guys.
What's the watermelon?
They're makeup wipes.
Oh. Can I have them?
Do you want them? Yeah, go ahead. Alright, sorry y'all. My baby child was heading out. I have to do the wave and all of that. So, anyways, back to this. I think this is a really pretty palette and it swatches really, really nice. So I'm excited to play around with that. And this is a heck of a mother trucking deal. $12.50 for everything in this bag. I love the color combinations and everything, so I feel like if you're on the fence, I think that's a no-brainer, guys. You got 4 items in here for $12.50. Like, heck freaking yeah. One thing about Eyescream Beauty Box that you are going to notice is they are really, really good about curating their boxes, and it never looks like it was a thrown together kind of box. They really curate with thought, and I really appreciate that. So with that said, they did change their box up a little bit. I really like that. I'm goofy. I noticed things like that. The box does feel nice and heavy. As far as this subscription, this is also a monthly subscription from Eyescream Beauty Box. It is a total of $29.99 per month. And that is including the shipping. You do receive 5 to 7 full-size items per box. Average retail value of this box is $120, and the average retail value of the bag is $65. So with that said, the price did go up a little bit, but let's see, was it worth it? And on top of that, you do have that code, Hotmess. It's a one-time use code. It's not an affiliate code, so if you don't want to earn me no money, that's okay. Their packaging is always great. Oh, they even did the inside of the box. They're stepping it up. We have a card, and on the card is everything that you are going to find in your box. Now, I do believe this was sent to me in PR, so shout out and thank you to Eyescream Beauty Box for that. But what I will say is I do believe you do get to customize some of your products, like, for example, the palette sometimes. Now, with that said, the one thing about Eyescream Beauty Box, they are extremely, for the most part, makeup heavy. On top of that, you are guaranteed a palette in every single box. Perfect way to grow your makeup collection. We have something from Marabella. This is the mattifying pressed powder in an LED lit compact. What? So this does have a retail value, it looks like, of $45. Alright, nothing to write home about as far as the outer packaging. Okay, that's freaking so extra. I absolutely love it. And then underneath, you do have where it stores like the powder proof pad, silicone feeling, but that's pretty doggone nice. I don't know. I don't know much about their stuff. It's called the Marabella Glow. Little information about it. It does say it's a setting powder, does more than just set your makeup. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and hydrolyzed soy protein that locks moisture while keeping your skin looking fresh and flawless. Lift the powder to reveal the facial sponge. I literally was about to write this off. Thank God that they put a little snippet on here, because just reading the box, it does say universal hyaluronic pressed powder, but mattifying protective pressed powder. Like, I read mattifying and I was like, absolutely not. That's not going to be something I will use. I am now willing to use it because they wrote on the card a little information, and your girl needs that. Alright, next in here, we've got the lipsticks, cruelty-free and vegan, Fired Up. This is by Medusa Makeup. Oh, Lord Jesus. I say that because that is a very dark color. Very pretty color. But for me, very scary. I'll pass it along now. This does have a retail value of $14. And it is a creamy lipstick with rich pigment, smooth application, and long-lasting formula. Alright, next in here, we've got the Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub by Peony. This has a $10 retail value. And this does say it's infused with botanical extracts of pink butterfly bush, hibiscus, and noni. The lip scrub not only acts as a natural exfoliator, it also imparts moisture, vitamins, and healthy radiant sheen to your lips. So tiny, but in all honesty, I would much rather see it in this little squeezy tube that is very much full to the top versus a pot, because I don't like putting my finger majority of the time in the pot, and I don't like when it's a large tube and it's only filled to here. So I like what they did here. We've got the Mora Like a Melody eyeshadow palette. Now this palette does have a $12 retail value. Oh, this is pretty. I do like the color story. I love these colors right here. Almost reminds me of like the shades in my Ofra palette. Kinda. Sweet and Sassy if you have it. If not, I'm so sorry. It ended up being limited edition. They couldn't get the pigments anymore. I love this color story. This is really pretty. And I like this shade right here, this Melody. Fun fact, that color was one of the shades that I considered making, but I was going to do it in cream. Ended up, I didn't do it. I love that. I absolutely love that shade. Yeah, no, I wanted to make a cream blusher, but then I scratched it and because so many people said they wanted a mirror, and it just wasn't possible to do cream in that eyeshadow palette that's also blush. It doesn't matter anymore because it's gone. I do like that. Just swatching that one, I feel like that is a hard color to get right, to swatch pretty and not just disappear. Okay, I like that. And then last but not least, the Head in the Clouds palette from Ofra. Look at that. Isn't that fun? That is pretty. I have this already. It's really pretty. And then of course you've got the little highlighters and everything. This is one that's been around. It does have a $42 retail value. That is everything in our ice. No, it's not. There's actually, oh my gosh. Perfect for February. This makes so much sense. How freaking cute is that? There's actually a brush in here that retails for $15. It has a heart. Perfect for the blush palette. I love that. I love that. That is so pretty. It's by Moon Slice Beauty. That is so freaking adorable. Okay, do you guys see where I'm going here? How they coordinate everything so perfectly. So the blush palette matches the eyeshadow palette. You've got a blush brush. You've got powder in case you need to powder your nose. And then you just put some moisturizing lip balm on here. So this is... Again, this is really good, but I will say the bag, I mean, I don't know, they were both really doggone good. That's a hard one. I'm not going to fib. That's a hard one. I think either one you pick, you're getting your money's worth. And I think that's all we care about. You know what I mean? So thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. I will have a link down below if you want to sign up. Make sure to use coupon code HOTMESS, not an affiliate code. Check me out on my other channel, and then of course always on TikTok and Instagram. Stay tuned because your girl's gonna do some traveling, and you know doggone well it's gonna be on the TikTok. So anyways friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.